Hello, good morning. Today is Friday, the 15th of October. We're just going to prepare for our trading day. And as usual, the first thing we look at is the economic calendar to see if there are any economic reports due to be released today. Today is Friday, like I said, 15th of October, and we'll be looking at the dailyfx.com/calendar for economic reports of medium and high importance. So we'll just scroll down. We'll just ignore the reports of low importance. We can see here at 9 a.m. GMT time, which is 10 a.m. UK time, the Eurozone Consumer Price Index report is due out. So that will possibly move the markets, especially the Euro-US dollar. So you have to be aware of that report due out at 9 a.m. GMT time. Then we go down to 12:30 GMT time. We have the Canadian manufacturing sales, which is of medium importance. And most importantly, at 12:30 GMT time, we have the U.S. Advanced Retail Sales report, which is of high importance, and the U.S. Consumer Price Index report, which again is of high importance. So you always remember the market usually, you don't say the words always or never in the markets, but usually the market tends to trend sideways prior to reports of high importance coming out. So one has to be very careful trading before these reports come out. And if you're a very cautious trader, you probably keep out of the market until these reports are released. And the last report of high importance due out is at 1:55 GMT time, which is 2:55 UK time. That's the U.S. University of Michigan Confidence Report. And that's the last report of high importance. So today, Friday, one has to be careful trading before this last report of high importance is released. So you, like I said, you either keep out of the markets completely till 1:55 GMT time, but if you're going to trade prior to that, you trade with extreme caution. Now we'll go to the charts, and we'll start with the pound dollar. As we can see, that's the pound dollar. This is the 1-year daily chart. And we can see the pound dollar was initially trending up and then went sideways, and then it looks to be on its way back up. So it's just above the Fibonacci retracement here, and you can see it's possibly heading for the next retracement. So from a swing trading point of view, you can either buy when the market gets to this retracement, or you could sell if it falls back down to this 23.6% retracement. Now we'll just go down to the 2 days, 5 minutes chart. So like I said, if you're a cautious trader, you probably just keep out of the markets till the report comes out. I tend to place one trade prior to the report coming out, and I'm going to be selling just below the pivot point here. So if the market falls, I'll sell below the pivot point. If I lose out on this trade, then I'll keep out till the last report of high importance. But that'll be the only trade I'll be placing today prior to the report coming out. Also, you could also place a buy order just above the first resistance. Again, that's in case the market trends up prior to the report coming out. But again, it's making sure that even if you do trade before that last report of importance, you make sure you only trade once. Don't place too many trades prior to the report coming out. So this will be my pending orders to buy just above the first resistance or sell just below the pivot point. And obviously, if the market keeps going sideways prior to the report being announced, then I'll keep out of the market. But if one of these orders gets taken, I'll delete the other order, and I won't place any more trades on this market till the report comes out. Now this is the Euro US dollar. It's the 1-year daily chart. And again, we can see that the market has been trending up. It broke the Fibonacci retracement there. And you can see it's now approaching the 23.6% retracement there. It's getting very close to that. So I was in a swing trade in this market. I bought at 13.056, and I've recently moved my stop to the most recent low point in the market just to lock in some of the profits I've made on this swing trade and then wait for it to get to the target of the next retracement. And like so, when it gets to the next retracement, I will be placing another swing trade at that retracement. So that's the 1-year daily chart. I'll go down to the 2 days, 5 minutes chart. So again, we have the market trending sideways. Prior to report coming out. So again, just like with the pound dollar, we can either buy just above the first resistance at 14.143, so the market continues to trend up. We can buy just above the first resistance, and if it starts to fall, we can sell just below a pivot point. And like I said, once one of those orders gets taken, we'll delete the other orders and only trade once before the report comes out. Again, because you know that the market tends to go sideways prior to the report coming out, you don't want to overtrade prior to this reports of high importance being released. So it's very important you either keep out of the market, or if you do trade, make sure you just trade once. If that trade ends up being successful, then that's fine. But if it's an unsuccessful trade, then you need to stop trading and wait till the last report of high importance comes out. We'll have a quick look at the indices. We've got the FTSE there, and this is the 1-year daily chart. Again, you can see the FTSE has gone past the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement, and it's trending up. At the moment, there isn't any clear swing trading opportunity. Go down to the 2 days, 5 minutes chart. Again, the FTSE doesn't officially open till 8 a.m. So we'll see what happens at 8 a.m. when the market opens. But again, because of the reports due out, we'll probably keep out of this market till the reports are announced. And this is the Wall Street. Again, that was a swing trade I placed. I bought at a 23.6% retracement. So that's a swing trade I've got on there. But from a day trading point of view, again, because of the reports due out, we'll wait for the reports to be announced before we then decide where to trade with Wall Street. And because these reports are coming out from USA, they're going to have a huge impact on the Wall Street. So we'll wait and see how the market responds when this report comes out. Okay, so we'll speak later when the reports come out.